So in the last video, we looked at how to multiply out brackets. So like this example here. So where we have a number multiplied by this bracket here, so expanding brackets. Now, in this video, we're going to look at how to expand a bracket, but also to simplify. So you can see in this example, we've got this extra bit here, this 10 plus, and then we have the bracket as we had before. So the first thing that you want to do is get rid of the brackets. So just following BIDMAS. So following BIDMAS, we always want to do brackets first. So let's multiply out this bracket. So using the same method as before, I've got positive 3 times x. So 3 times x is going to give me 3x. And then I have to multiply out positive 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12, and two positive numbers multiplied together will give me a positive answer. So now the only thing that I have left or have missing is this 10 at the beginning. So I'm just going to bring that down because I haven't done anything with that. So I still have 10 plus 3x plus 12. Now on the next line, we just need to simplify. So when we're simplifying, we can only put the same terms together. Okay, so if I've got like 3x with something else with x's, you can put the x's together. For this one, I've got two numbers without any letters, so that is the same sort of term. So I can put this 10 together with this 12. So 10 add 12 gives me 22, and then the 3x is just on its own. So I'm just going to write that in at the end. So this question simplified, or this expression simplified, is going to be 22 plus 3x. You could have also written it as 3x plus 22. It doesn't make a difference. Okay, so both of those answers are correct. For this next example, we're going to do a similar thing, except this time I have got a negative here. So if you noticed in this example here, I said we've got positive 3 and I wanted to times it by x. Now we have negative 2 and I need to multiply that by x. So we're going to have negative 2 times x gives me minus 2x. So this one here gives me minus 2x. And then for the last part, I've got negative 2 times by 3. So negative 2 times 3 is minus 6. And again, I've got the 15 at the beginning that I haven't done anything with yet. Now, because I dealt with the minus at the very beginning when I multiplied out the bracket, I know that each of these terms are correct with the correct sign as well. Okay, so we don't need to change any pluses or minuses. Okay, so now all I need to do is simplify. So I'm going to put this 15 together with this minus 6. So 15 take away 6, that is going to give me 9. And then my minus 2x, I'm just going to leave on its own because there isn't anything else I can do with that. So there's nothing I can simplify that with, so it's just minus 2x. So the final answer is 9 minus 2x. Now, this next one, very similar. We need to multiply out the bracket first. So I'm going to do positive 3 times 2x. So that's going to give me 6x. Then the next thing that I need to do is the positive 3 times by negative 4. So a positive and a negative gives me a negative answer. So this answer here, 3 times 4 is 12. A plus and a minus is minus. Now I need to bring down the 20 because I haven't used that yet. So I've got 20 plus 6x minus 12. Now again, we need to simplify. So I'm going to put together this term with this term. So 20 take away 12. That gives me 8. And then I still have plus 6x, and there's nothing else that I can simplify that x with. So this x here just stays on its own.